Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back again in a new video. So guys, in this video I am gonna talk about a new mining website. This website is really great website and you can earn a lot of money by this website. Everything about this website I am going to share you in this video, so must watch this video till the end. So let's begin the video. So guys, first of all, website link given in the description box. So when you click on the link, this interface will come to front of you. You have to create your account in this website. So this is a very easy process. First of all, you have to put your email address. After that, you have to fill your login password, then confirm your password, and after that you have to fill your transaction password. Please remember all these passwords because these passwords will help you to log in your account and withdraw your money. Okay, so first I make my account and after we will talk about next. So guys, after registration this interface will come to front of you. You can see this is the interface of the website. This website name is IKEA.vip. So first I confirm this, then you can see this is the interface of the website. When you click on mine, you can see this is 25 USD I have in my wallet, but when you register for first time you have 15 USD because sign up bonus is 15 USD. I added 10 USD from myself. Okay, so now I tell you how to earn money through this website. So this is also very easy process. So just click on VIP option. When you click here, you can see here are some VIP. So I am in VIP 1 and in VIP 1 I get per task 1.5 USD and my daily profit will be 1.5 and my monthly income will be 45 USD through this website. Okay, and here you can see this is VIP 2 and VIP 2 you will get per order 2.5 and your monthly income will be $75. Okay, so for VIP 2 you need 30 USD, 15 USD you have in your account, 15 USD you have to do recharge and you can start money. Okay, so here are VIP 3, VIP 4 and up to VIP 10 you can upgrade. According to your risk management you can do recharge. Okay, I don't recommend anyone to do recharge because I am not a financial advisor. I am just a blogger and I just share my view and my point on this website. You can do recharge according to your risk, according to your money, because money is your, not mine. Okay, so now I tell you how to do recharge. So just go to home option. This is recharge. So when you click here, this is address USDT TRC to enter. Okay, so you have to do recharge in USDT TRC 20 and after that you have to click on submit and your recharge will be success. I am not doing recharge right now because I had already done recharge. So now I tell you how to complete task. So just click on your VIP option. I am in VIP 1, so I just click here and I have to click on submit and I got 1.5 USD profit. Now I show you in my wallet. Click on mine. You can see now my wallet balance is 26.5 USDT. So this is a very easy process to do. Now I tell you how to earn money through team income. Just when you click on team option, this is your referral code and your invitation code. So just copy and share with your friends, and if they join through your link you will get a good commission by this website. Here not only one level you will get commission by up to 3 levels: team A, team B and team C. So every level you will get some percentage of income from your friend. Okay, so this is very good concept if you want to earn money, and you can earn money through passive income. Just work for fun one time and earn for lifetime. So yes, you can do this. So now I tell you very important thing, how to withdraw money through this website. So just click on withdrawal option and after that you have to click on submit, click on add withdrawal method and you have to put your TRC20 address here. So I open my application. So guys, I am using IM token crypto exchange. You can use any crypto exchange which you have. So I am using IM wallet. This is really good. So I am using click on USDT TRC20. Now I have to go back to website, put your address, after that put your transaction password, click on submit and you can see this is success. Now go back and you have to put your amount and payment password. You can see I had done. Now click on submit. You can see application for withdrawal successful. Within few seconds we will get our withdrawal. Now I show you in my wallet. I have 28 USD now and within few seconds we will get our withdrawal. It's really very fast withdrawal. So we have to wait for a few seconds and we will get our withdrawal. So let's wait for a few seconds. When I get withdrawal I will tell you. So guys, you can see now my balance has been updated to 29.5 USD. It's mean 1.5 USD withdrawal I got. Okay, so this website really great website and give withdrawal within few seconds. So you can also use this website and earn a lot of money by this website. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like option and also support me by subscribing my channel. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.